what's your name and what all's in here, man?
I got, my name is Quandra, and I have 4 XSV4 18s on 2 MD 12Ks currently at 1 ohm.
Okay. Did you build this?
Order. My good friend over there, Jess Berry, and another guy, Michael Burdine.
Okay.
He built it.
Nice. Wow. What are your tunings on it?
Tuning, front is like 24 hertz and the rear is like 45.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the amp out in the back? Can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Open from outside.
Whoa. Oh, you have to open from the outside? I like the door speaker. Well,
Thank you, man.
nice job. Wow. That was. Thanks for the demo on, man. Wow. Did you ever meter it?
It does 58 at 34 hertz or something like that.
Okay.
What's in the back?
Then what's your name?
Juan.
Juan. Thank you, Juan. Is the amp out in the back? Can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Open from outside.
Whoa. Oh, you have to open from the outside? I like the door speaker. Well,
Thank you, man.
nice job. Wow. That was. Thanks for the demo, Juan, man. What's in the back? Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.